As I stand before you, my King, beholding the beauty of your face, I'm captured by the gaze of your eyes, and the fire that burns with grace. Oh, it's the fire in your eyes that consumes me, leaving me weak in the beauty of the flames. It's the fire in your eyes that melts my heart to love. It's the fire in your eyes that delivers me from my enemies. It's the fire in your eyes that brings tears to wash your feet. It's the fire, my King. Though the flame in me be just a flicker, oh, your fire fuels it evermore. Oh, and as my eyes reflect your glory, oh, my heart becomes a raging flame. Oh, it's the fire in your eyes, oh, that fuels this flame inside. As I gaze into your eyes, Jesus, the sweetness of your breath surrounds me. You whisper, come closer, my beloved, and your tenderness invites surrender. I let my ties to this world go. All of me, Lord, you have all of me. It's the fire in your eyes that melts my heart to love. It's the fire in your eyes that delivers me from my enemies. It's the fire in your eyes that brings tears to wash your feet. It's the fire, my King. Ooh, you watch over me in peace. Ooh, you sing over me in love. Ooh, and in the suffering you remind me of the cross, and though still lost you whisper, just a little while longer, my love. In the beauty of your gaze I surrender. In the beauty of your gaze I resolve to love. It's the fire in your eyes that melts my heart to love. Jesus, my King, your fire is my song. As I stand before you, my King, beholding the beauty of your face, I'm captured by the gaze of your eyes, and the fire that burns with grace is the fire in your eyes that consumes me, leaving me weak in the beauty of the flame. It's the fire in your eyes that melts my heart to love. It's the fire in your eyes that fuels this flame inside. It's the fire in your eyes. As I gaze into your eyes, Jesus, the sweetness of your breath surrounds me. Ooh, you whisper, come closer, my beloved. To this world go, all of me, Lord, you have all of me. It's the fire in your eyes that melts my heart to love. It's the fire in your eyes that delivers me from my enemies. It's the fire, my King. You watch over me in peace. You sing over me in love, and in the suffering, you remind me of the cross, and though still lost, you whisper, just a little while longer, my love. In the beauty of your gaze, I surrender. In the beauty